Financial constraints and limited access to guidance often make studying abroad feel inaccessible for many first-generation students.
I think being first gen, the kind of doubts that I was processing was how am I going to be able to make this experience possible? So on a financial note and also just kind of personally, professionally, how is it going to affect my academics?
First-generation students considering studying abroad often face doubts that can feel overwhelming. At FSU, offices like CARE and the Office of National Fellowships work to build students' confidence and show how study abroad can enhance their academic and professional journeys.
I think first step is to get the word out there, and I think partnering with CARE really gives us an opportunity to help identify students who are qualified for, especially some of the study abroad scholarships are need-based, so it's really helpful to go through CARE, through tabling or presentations, to be able to identify students who actually qualify for these awards.
The Office of National Fellowships connects students to opportunities like the Gilman Scholarship, Freeman Asia, and other fellowships that can partially or even fully fund a study abroad experience.
Some of them are fully funded, like the Fulbright US-UK Summer Institute. It's pretty much completely covered studying abroad experience, except for insurance. But there are also other fellowships where it only covers partial or just part of a study abroad program.
Studying abroad can seem out of reach for many first-generation students, but at Florida State University, support systems are put in place to make studying abroad more feasible. Offices like CARE and the Office of National Fellowships are here to provide guidance, funding support, and mentorship.
So Office of National Fellowship helped me go with the scholarship or apply for it, and not only did they help me apply for it, they were monitoring the way I go about by my essays. They would edit it, review it, and we're talking about this was a 4-month process.
The Office of National Fellows was very helpful. They connected me with the Gilman Foundation, and that's pretty much where I got primarily most of my funding. They had advisors there who helped me get my essays done, get my letters of recommendation, so everything I needed to be set up for Gilman, they helped me through. The workshops are very helpful.
If you are able to have this experience, it's going to be so incredible, and that any worries or maybe anxieties you have are going to be completely overshadowed by how amazing the experience is going to be.
It definitely taught me how capable I am. Going from a country where, everything is in your own language and you can get around pretty easily to a country where you don't understand the language and you're trying to get from one side of a country to the other by transit, it'll show you how capable you are and how good just basic human skills can get you. So that's definitely one thing it taught me. Once I can make it through the metro system in Rome and Italy, I know I can do it anywhere.
Honestly, just do it.
Honestly, anywhere you want to go, do it. That's my biggest thing, just do it.
For first-generation students, studying abroad is more than a trip. It's a step towards what's possible for generations to come. I'm LeKayla Griffin, reporting.